Life is a medical employee. Life is unexpected. No one knows what comes after, what's going to happen next, or which challenges are to come. Medical sector as we know is vast. There is so much to learn and challenges are endless. One after the other they have to overcome them all. As much as they can their entire focus when it comes to life of patient they will do whatever and everything necessary to save them. But what about the life of themselves? What is it to become a medical employee? Do they live differently than people outside of that field? What do they have to face daily in their life? Is it worth to become one of them? Medical is the field in which the sole focus is about health, healing and saving lives. This field consists of many types of professionals, e.g. doctors, nurses, lab technicians, radio technicians, specialists of various types, etc. employed to it. Each and everyone inside is considered as a family and are very important to have all of them included in the field at all times. As one-on-one everyone calls them as per their profession in the medical, but as a whole they call themselves a medical employee. Why? It is simply because every portion of a medical depends on one another to fulfill their roles to give the best the institution can provide to a patient. Becoming one of the medical employees starts as every other field of profession starts, as a student. Only difference is that one who wants to become the medical employee has to have the guts to say they are able to give their 100% at all time to save the lives of people using all the techniques they acquire in the vast field of medical years course of study in a medical institution approved by the government and the medical council in that country. Currently in Nepal the medical council is known as Nepal Medical Council, initiated in 1963 AD during its first national conference carried by Nepal Medical Association and established in the 28th of February 1964 AD. And its rules and regulations were completed and was fully functioning in 13th of September 1965 AD. Each of the medical field has its own criteria for studies, e.g. to become a Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, or as we know it as MBBS, it takes a 5.5 years of study to complete. To attempt becoming one, the base from the high school needs to be of biology. First year of theoretical studies about medicine science and clinical study, then after theoretical and practical courses, and in the final year they are required to go through internship programs in hospitals of the college or any hospitals approved by the medical council and the college. And after finishing the courses it's finally taking a step in the direction of a medical employee. Everyone who are a medical employee are required to take oaths and agree to the code of ethics and professional conducts given by the medical council. Oaths. I solemnly pledge myself to dedicate my life to the service of humanity. Even under threat and duress I will not use my knowledge contrary to the norms of humanity. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life right from the time of conception as per the laws of the land. I will not allow consideration of age, sex, religion, nationality, ethnicity, politics, or social standings to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will carry out my professional duties with conscience and dignity. The health of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets of my patients confided in me. I will give my teachers the respect and gratitude that is their due. I will maintain, by all means in my power, the honor and noble traditions of the medical profession. I will maintain utmost rapport with my professional colleagues. I make these promises solemnly, free and upon my honor. Code of Ethics and Professional Conducts, Nepal Medical Council, 2017. Following the Code of Ethics as required for all of the medical employees, its purpose is not just to make guideline for the medical employee, but it is also to keep the patients in a safe hand. After the oaths and registering medical students' data in the Medical Council, they are given a registration number and licensed as a medical professional. Life is a medical employee. Life is unexpected. No one knows what